Hello everyone, this is Aaron from OneSideZero.net. Would you want to find a keyboard that is affordable and also holds a very good quality when it comes to gaming or your work? I just have this real new review product, and this is the VOICSKY Echo96. Now, there is actually two models, Echo 75 and Echo 96. 96 being that you have the numpad over here. Now, what's so special is it has an LCD display over here, and the version that I have over here for review is actually the linear switch version. So they also have two. One is linear, another one is tactile. So let's just quickly take this out and have a quick look, shall we? I love unboxing, don't I? So this is the dark version. There's also the white color one. But the black color one looks like this. You have the volume knob. And this is how the whole keyboard looks like. Oh, you have a stowing space for your USB as well. We touched about USB already. So this connects via Bluetooth, USB dongle, and also via cable. Of course, charging is via cable as well. We have some replacement key switch over here. We have some cap puller. These are the keycaps. So if you don't like the transparent one, you can just change to this one, giving it the same color tone. This is the USB-C. Oh, it's a USB-A to C cable. Basically, you can use it to connect it to your keyboard when you're out of juice and you need it to charge, or you solely wanted to switch it to cable mode. You can definitely use this cable, or any of the compatible USB-A to C cable or C to C cable, in fact. So that's how it looks like. This is the user manual that shows you the overview and also the key combination. Looks simple, fairly simple for keyboard, but there is more to it. You see, there is no mention about how to control the RGB. Now I gotta tell you, there is a software, and this software is optional. You do not need to install because you can actually just go online. The software name is called VOICSKY Ether, and you can just configure, whatever RGB lights combination that you wanted, because this has a very good RGB light and it features 16.8 million RGB lights. By the way, if you wanted to know how the inner looks like, let me just open this up and take the keycaps up, shall we? So I have taken one of the caps out, and this is how the switch looks like. It's pre-lubed, and this one is a linear switch. If let's say you want to switch to a tactile switch, yes, you can do so, because this uses a 5-pin leg, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just open it up and see. Yes, this uses a 5-pin socket. So these key switches are actually widely available and widely compatible as well. It's easy to get it at any keyboard, custom keyboard shops or shops that sell switches and keycaps as well. If you want to change the keycaps, that's how it looks like. And if you want to know how it sounds like, here's a sample of the sound. Next, we're gonna connect it and go through the software. I am back and we are at the web browser. You basically can use any web browser to actually run the software online, whether it's Chrome or Firefox. So basically you add a device. There you go. I have plugged in my USB-A dongle, the keyboard's USB-A dongle, and all you need to do is press connect. So these are the things that you can do from the software itself, the online software, like changing the key settings, RGB lighting. So whenever you change the lighting, it will change itself. And you can change it on the fly, having to say it. So if let's say I want spectrum blue color only, there you go. Or if you wanted it to change colors running on different modes, yes, you can do that. My lighting is pretty strong over here in my room, but you should be able to see it clearly. There you go. Apart from that, you can also change custom basic characters, extended characters, special characters, and also function keys. If let's say you want to change your combo key button for your Bluetooth channel, yes, you can do so. But if you don't want to, you can use it as a default. And this is for the gamers. You have macro configurations as well. Business as usual for most of the gaming keyboard over here. And you have advanced key settings as well. Select any key to bind advanced settings. You can use up to 40 advanced key. And this is good if you want to do advanced combination to actually execute maybe an app or a movement while you're gaming and whatnot. So you can do toggle switching. You can also do SOCDs, which monitor the two selected keys and activate them based on the chosen settings. So there's a lot of bindings you can do. In fact, you can choose up to 40 bindings, so to speak. And this is just normal internal settings, which you can sync the theme with your computer. You want to choose it whether it's a light theme or dark theme, or you can set your key response time as well as sleep mode. Of course, you can also do the update online. This keyboard has already been updated before being sent in to me. Let's talk about the custom key just a bit before we move on. So you got two layer, normal layer and the FN layer. FN layer basically it's the one up here, the F keys, whereby you can do a combination, or you can just restore it to the factory settings if you wanted to. Of course, if you press FN and press delete, for example, you can do the light effect switch. And that's pretty much how simple the VOICSKY keyboard software and ecosystem is. Now let's talk about the interface over here. So this is actually the small LCD screen whereby you can switch modes as well. There you go. So basically, even without the online software, you can also switch things on the fly. You can set the speed, you can set the light brightness, the volume, system control, languages, and whatnot. It's pretty value for money if you ask me. For 219 ringgit onwards, you can get this online from 219 onwards up to 269 ringgit. That depends where you get it from, but I will list some of the sites online on where to get this keyboard, and also the list of the distributor of this keyboard brand, which is Suncycle. Shout out to Suncycle for sending this in on where you can get it as well. And you know what? While I was recording this, I realized that VOICSKY also available in several Southeast Asian countries. So kudos to them. Good job to VOICSKY as a brand to bring this to more markets, more countries. As I know, it is also available in Singapore and several Southeast Asian markets already. Let's hope this spread further, because I believe this is a very good keyboard. I have tested it already. The sound is pretty good, pretty excellent when it comes to gaming. If you want something more intensive, get the tactile one. If you want something slightly silent but still holds a very good gaming experience with it, get the linear one. You can get this for less than 300 ringgit or in other words, about 90 USD or slightly lesser. This is a good deal, let me tell you. That's pretty much about it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.